Welcome to week 11. What are we doing this week? Well, let's take a look. Mind like water. So leave the Bruce Lee image at the top unless you want to put your own. Also, take a look at Christian's blog. He's already done with his. Great example of work. Just a reminder to delete all these contents after you're done and make sure you only have one title at the top. So you copy and paste that into the top title section in your blog and delete the second one, which will be from when you copy and pasted this whole thing. All right. And if you, again, reminder, if you put your own image, cite your source properly. And the link up here shows you how to do that. Woo. All right. Mind like water. The theme this week is getting stuff out of your head, being present in the moment. And David Allen calls it this. Bruce Lee said, be like water. And the idea is being flexible in the moment. And we can only do that if we can get stuff out of our head into a trusted system like GTD. Write your summary last. Practice room. What I want you to do is continue to work in either JavaScript or C#, because Construct and PlayCanvas use JavaScript and Unity uses C#. And delete all my directions. You can leave, like let's say if you're working in JavaScript, delete all this stuff and then write how far you got this week with the Solo Learn. The idea is to eventually complete Solo Learn and get a certificate. We are spending time on that most weeks. Okay, in the classroom, I want you to explore Construct 3 because it's a very powerful system. What I want you to do is take a look at this, and then go over here and read this page. Spend no more than 15 minutes here. Okay, this won't take you very long. Then I want you to go into this room, set a timer for 15 minutes, and do the guided tour. Now, rumor has it, it only takes 5 minutes, so that won't take you very much. Now, just remember, you delete all my directions. If there's nothing you need to do other than just do the thing, you can delete the whole section. Like you just delete the whole lab if you want it. Okay, if it says write a couple sentences, that's all that's going to be left. We would have this image here and then your description. That's it. Okay, just a reminder because a lot of people are still having issues with that. Then I want you to spend 30 minutes. I want you to look over this document and look at, are you feeling lonely, low self-esteem, anxiety, inability to focus, low energy or fatigue? These are all things that I think we all feel right now. And here's ways to counteract them, okay? Take a look at that. Now, you've been hearing this from me, but this is basically how to get into our happy zone, and we have to intentionally do this. Think of it as a game, and these are the rules, okay? This is the big boss that's trying to hold you down. This is how you're going to get through the levels, all right? Try that. Let me know how it goes. In fact, I want you to go for a walk and think about that, and then come back and write a small paragraph about what you thought about maybe gamifying it and think about those 4 chemicals and what you can do to activate those throughout your day to have a better balance and to be happier. Okay, I'm really curious what you write here. In the studio, I want you to go into Construct 3 and I want you to create some stuff. So set a timer for 45 minutes and go in and play around. If you don't finish, that's fine. The timer rules you. When the timer's done, write a little description here about what you did. Okay, and I'm going to want you to share something on Thursday or Friday, depending on which class, into a discussion board that we have in our week 11 Schoology folder. Okay, control room, you're going to put that stuff into the Schoology folder. So we'll do this during class time. Okay, and don't worry about that. And then this part is what we always do. So just write your reflection, what I learned, and just remember, if you have problems throughout the week, that is a blessing because the more you problem solve, the better you get at problem solving. And you get paid more the bigger the problems you have to solve in the world of work. And the only way to get better at problem solving is to solve problems. So just pick one and highlight what you did and be proud of yourself. Fill out the survey and just remember, I've been saying this to my classes, that I will waive the final at the end of the semester if you have most of these published. So get on it. Do this because this is a high-level leadership activity of giving feedback on the content and the process of the class. And when you're done, delete this whole section. That's it. Have fun.